Good day to all of you. Myself, Dr. Arvind Sharma, Associate Professor in Physics, Government Nagar College, Bikaner. Today we are going to discuss about the topic radar cross-section. The radar cross-section of a target is the equivalent area seen by a radar. What is radar cross-section? Equivalent area that can be seen by radar. It is the fictitious area intercepting that amount of power which, when scattered equally in all directions, produces an echo at the radar equal to that from the target. If from figure we see, here is a transmitter antenna. Transmitter antenna transmits the wave and a target is at a range R. Okay. The radar cross section of a target is the area that intercepts the radar's transmitted signals and reflects them back to the radar receiver. From this figure we can easily understand that what is RCS? Area that intercepts the radar's transmitted signals. Area that intercepts the radar's transmitted signals and reflects them back to the radar receiver. When a radar pulse is transmitted by a transmitter, it hits the target and gets scattered isotropically, and only some part of it bounces back to the receiver. The radar measures the power density of the reflected signals in decibels, which is then converted into square meters to realize the size of the target. Important point, radar measures the power density of the reflected signals in decibels, and then it is converted into square meters to realize size of the target. Radar cross-section is the ratio of backscatter power to the power density received by the target. It is denoted by sigma, and RCS sigma equal to 4 pi r square SR upon ST. ST for transmitted and R for reflected. Okay. Here R is range, radar range, SR is backscatter power. Reflected, in place of reflected power, the term used here, backscatter power. Backscatter means reflected means, but here term backscatter power is used for SR. ST, power density received by the target. The power density received by the target is ST and SR is backscatter power. R is radar range and sigma is 4 pi r square SR upon ST. Factors on which radar cross section depends. Frequency of the radar signal. What is the frequency of radar signal? Distance between the target and the radar range. Distance between the target and the radar. Material of the target. A very important point, it depends upon the material of the target also. The aspect and the orientation of the target to the radar source. The aspect and the orientation of the target to the radar source. Radar cross section of the target is a primary measure of stealth or low observability. Low observability LO of an aircraft, missiles or ships. In different approach, we can also understand radar cross section is a specific parameter of a reflective object that depends on many factors and which has units of meter square. The calculation of the radar cross section is only possible for simple objects. The surface area of simple geometric bodies depends on the shape of the body and the wavelength. or rather on the ratio of the structural dimensions of the object to the wavelength. If absolutely all of the incident radar energy on the target were reflected equally in all directions, then the radar cross-section would be equal to the target's cross-sectional area as seen by the transmitter. In practice, some energy is absorbed. We know that some energy is absorbed and reflected energy is not distributed equally in all directions. Energy reflected, but it is not equally distributed in all directions. Therefore, radar cross-section is quite difficult to estimate and is normally determined by measurement. The target radar cross-section area depends on the airplane's physical geometry and exterior features. What is the physical geometry of the airplane and what is the exterior features of the airplane? The direction of the illuminating radar. What is the direction of the illuminating radar? The radar transmitter's frequency, the used material type, the use of stealth technology to reduce radar cross-section, increases the survivability and decreases the target detection of military aircraft. That technology can be used in military if they reduce the cross-section. But the stealth technology depends on used radar transmitters frequency and has none effect against VHF radars like P-12 or P-18, both used by Serbian air defense units during the Kosovo War. Calculation of radar cross-section. Radar cross-section is the measure of target's ability to reflect radar signals in the direction of the radar receiver. In different way we can define it. What is RCS? Measure of the target's ability to reflect radar signals in the direction of the radar receiver. That is, it is a measure of the ratio of backscatter density in the direction of the radar from the target to the power density that is intercepted by the target. Since the power is distributed on the shape of a sphere, a small part of this is 4 pi r square and can be received by the radar. A radar cross-section can be defined 4 pi r square SR upon ST. What is sigma? Measure of the target's ability to reflect radar signals in direction of the radar receiver. What is ST? Power density that is intercepted by the target. SR is scattered power density in the range. The RCS of a target can be viewed as a comparison of the strength of the reflected signal from a target to the reflected signal from a perfectly smooth sphere of cross-sectional area 1 meter square. Okay. From here we can easily define this. RCS of a target can be viewed as a comparison of the strength of the reflected signals from a target to the reflected signal from a perfectly smooth spheres of cross-sectional area 1 meter square. The following backscattering formulas from shapes occur in an optical independent frequency region. If there is a shape is like spherical shape, then sigma maximum is pi square. If it is cylindrical, then sigma maximum is 2 pi r h square upon lambda. And if it is flat plate, then sigma maximum equal to 4 pi b square h square upon lambda square. Okay. So these are the different formula If tilted plate, here is flat plate. If plate is tilted, in that case, real as the previous example, unusual feature, the reflected energy is reflected in another direction. Just see, the energy is reflected in another direction. Well, the transmitting radar cannot receive this energy. Therefore, there are bistatic radars at which the transmitter and the receivers are separated from each other. Special. RCS for point-like targets. If there are some point-like targets, what is RCS? Targets like bird. First in table, targets, the name of targets, RCS meter square and RCS in dB. If there is a bird, RCS 0.01 meter square, in dB minus 20 dB. If there is a man, what is RCS? 1 meter square. What is RCS in dB? 0. Cabin cruiser. If there is a cabin cruiser, then its RCS is 10 and RCS in dB also 10 dB. Automobile, in case of automobile 100 meter per square, 20 dB. If there is a truck, 200 meter square, 23 dB. And if corner reflector, then it is 20,379 meter squares and 43.1 dB. These are the values for different point-like targets. If these are point-like targets, then what is the value of RCS, radar cross section? These are given here. So numerically you can understand the values of point targets. Here the different approach of this article also given many things. Just see this definition. Radar cross section is the measure of the target's ability to reflect radar signals in direction of the radar receiver. It is measure of the ratio of backscatter power per steradian per unit solid angle in the direction of the radar from the target. A very important point is here cleared, that backscatter power per steradian, that is per unit solid angle in the direction of the radar from the target to the power density that is intercepted by the target. So in different approaches you can see that this is the better or best definition. This is the best definition for your purpose. Again, the different objects are showing and their RCS is given. Here you can see sigma is equal to projected cross section. What is sigma? Projected cross section, reflectivity and directivity, product of three terms. The RCS of a radar can be viewed as a comparison of the strength of the reflected signal from a target to the reflected signal from a perfectly smooth sphere of cross-sectional area 1 meter square. Okay. Directivity. What is reflectivity? The percentage of intercepted power re-radiated is scattered by the target. What is directivity? The ratio of the power scattered back in the radar's direction to the power that would have been back scattered had the scattering been uniform in all directions. Isotropical. Here a object is shown, flat plate, sigma equal to 4 pi w square h square upon lambda square. Here this is the plate. Okay, if sphere, then sigma equal to pi square. Okay. See creeping wave discussion for exception when lambda less than range and lambda less than r. If the RCS of a sphere is independent of frequency, if operating at sufficiently high frequency where lambda is less than range and lambda is less than radius. Experimentally, radar return reflected from a target is compared to the radar return reflected from a sphere which has a frontal or projected area of 1 square meter. Using the spherical shape aids in field or laboratory measurements, since orientation or positioning of the sphere will not affect radar reflection intensity measures as a flat plate would. If calibrated, other sources, cylinder, flat plate or corner reflector etc. would be used for comparative measurement. Okay. Back scatter from shapes. Different shapes: sphere pi r square, cylinder, flat plate, tilted plate we already seen. This is corner. Okay. If dihedral corner reflector, then sigma maximum 8 pi w square h square upon lambda square. And if trihedral corner reflectors, then if such kind of shapes, for this shape sigma 4 pi l 4 upon 3 lambda square, and for this kind of shape sigma maximum 12 pi l 4 upon lambda square, and for this kind of shape sigma maximum 15.6 pi l 4 upon lambda square. Back scatter from shape. This is a relative magnitude dB SM for a sphere, flat plate and corner. So you can easily understand by reading these examples and these values. A aircraft target is very complex. It has a great many reflecting elements and shapes. The RCS of real aircraft must be measured. It varies significantly depending upon the directions of the illuminating radar also. It depends upon direction of the illuminating radar also. Okay, so you just go through this article. Also, you can easily understand and significance of reduced radar cross section. If each of the range of a power equations that has an radar cross section term is evaluated for the significance of decreasing RCS. Figure 6 results. Therefore, an RCS reduction can increase aircraft survivability. The equations used in figure 6 are as follows. What is figure 6? This is the figure 6. Reduction of RCS affects radar detection, burn through and Zeemer power. This is range, radar range, burn through and power Zeemer. Okay. So you can easily understand these expressions we already. What is the two-way range equation? PR equal to PET ZT ZR lambda square sigma upon 4 pi whole cube R4. Therefore, R4 is proportional to sigma and sigma 154 proportional to R. Range, radar, burn through. The cross-section equation has RBT square equal to PT ZT sigma upon PJ GJ 4 pi. Therefore, RBT square proportional to sigma. And what is power? Zeemer, equating the receiving signal return in the two-way range equation to the receiver Zeemer signal in the one-way range equation. The following relationship PR equal to PT ZT ZR lambda square sigma upon 4 pi whole cube R4 equal to PJ GJ ZR lambda square 4 pi R whole square. Therefore, PJ proportional to sigma and sigma proportional to PC. Note, Zeemer transmission line loss is combined with the Zeemer antenna gain to obtain ZT. So these are comparable data are shown, that is used in engineering area also. Our basic is to understand the physical regions and theoretical explanation of radar cross section. Optical oblique me oblique Rayleigh regions. These topics we try to understand in next lecture. So today we are just try to understand about the radar cross section and what is the different radar cross sections for different shapes. Okay, thanks to